Hi, Gil from Testing Gil here. Let's talk about the biggest problem when you're testing a product that has AI inside it. Unpredictability. The models are flaky. You can ask them the same question twice and get a different answer every time. And that, as testers, makes us nervous. Really jumpy. We expect consistency, and we identify inconsistency as a problem. We're used to writing this kind of code. But that's not going to work here. Sometimes the answer will be 5, which is good, and sometimes it's going to be 15, which is bad, and sometimes it's going to be 7, which is kind of good. If we don't understand what our tests are telling us, how can we trust them? We need to find new ways of building confidence into our tests. So, how do you deal with that? Our whole way of thinking needs to shift. We're not looking for a single perfect answer. Instead, we're going to define what is a good enough answer. A key technique here is testing for properties, things that should always stay true, even if the words themselves change. Here's an example. In my API analysis agent, I use this prompt. I specifically ask for 5 answers, although I know the answer is going to be flaky and I may not get a 5. So I can write a test like this. This one checks that the answer should be either between 3 and 7, which is my definition of good enough. But I can improve that. I have some insider information. See this code in the agent? It's in the end of the analysis function. The agent returns up to 5 results. So even if the model has returned more than 5, the function will return up to 5. So I can modify my test to check a narrow margin. Now, a good enough result would be between 3 and 5. Any other number should fail. Now, let's add another check. Let's make sure that all suggestions are string and are at least long enough to contain a short answer. Now, if the test doesn't pass, it's because I don't have a valid answer to work with. That's how you deal with flaky behavior. You define what you can accept as good enough. Check out the links below when I go deep diving into testing AI products. And tell me, have you been testing AI products? Which techniques are you using? Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share it, and watch other videos on this channel. Until next time, bye bye.